Hey guys, it's Dami, and today we have this AirPods that I did get from DHGate to review and unbox. So let's get right into it. So first off, on the box you have the AirPod Pros at the back. At the side you have the Apple logo, and you also have where you have the serial number and other information as well. And let's not forget that these also come with the December Apple in California paperwork, and you have the extra ear tips, the silicone ear tips as well, and you have the USB-C to USB-C charging cable, and I believe this is just the regular ones. Next on the list we have the AirPods themselves. You have the lanyard inserts at the back, you have some more information, and you have the lightning port with the speakers as well of these AirPods. And to pair them is actually very simple, like the real thing. Open the lid of the case, you hold on the pair button on the back, and after a few seconds they are paired to your phone, and you'll see the battery percentage of the case and of the pods themselves, which I think is actually crazy that these could do that. In the settings you have noise cancellation, ANC, and all that sweet jazz that would come with the real ones. One thing I did check was the serial number on these. This showed that it did come with AppleCare. I ran it through Apple's website and it did pop up that it had AppleCare, which is kind of crazy for AirPod Pro 2 in 2026. So yeah, on these the stem controls do work. You can pause, play next song and previous song, which I think is pretty cool. I did try using the volume rocker. It's not really sensitive, so you have to really put some force into it to get it to move. But yeah, you can increase and reduce the volume with the stem controls. And next thing I did try was the ANC and transparency. I know a lot of you do want me to talk about this. So noise cancellation works because of the silicone gel in your ears and tips. You can hear anything around you. Transparency works flawlessly. I can hear everything around my surroundings. Spatial audio doesn't really work. When I put head tracking, it just makes it a little bit louder. So all links to these AirPods will be down below in the description. I tried to make this under 2 minutes, but 8 seconds is not gonna kill nobody. So yeah, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe. Any questions, just ask me down below. I'll be down to help you guys. And yeah, don't forget, drop a like, subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Peace.